What is Google Panda? Google Panda is a part of Google's search algorithm that was introduced in 2011. The algorithm's main purpose is to identify and penalize websites that have poor or thin content, and those websites that engage in spammy practices. The algorithm aims to deliver higher quality information to users by lowering the ranking of websites that don't meet Google's quality standards. When Panda was first released in 2011, it had a significant impact on websites that had low-quality content, or websites with too many advertisements. These sites experienced a drop in their rankings on Google's search results pages. The algorithm was designed to filter out such sites, ensuring that users would see more relevant and trustworthy information when they searched for something on Google. In simple terms, Google Panda is like a filter that helps Google weed out websites with low-quality content and spammy practices, making sure that users find more reliable and useful information when they search on Google. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon if the video is helpful to you to get updates when we add new content.